Hello, you are watching Balahippo Math Genius Riddles. The given informations A must be equal to quantity A plus 1 multiplies quantity B minus 1. A, B are integers. Find the number group of A and B. This is an interesting question. Would you please to find them? In this video, I will sub how to utilize number factor to find all of A, B value. Pause the video and try it while you are ready. Keep watching the video to know the result. The given equations A must be equal to quantity A plus 1 multiplies quantity B minus 1. I would like to find the relations between A and B. At first, develop the quantity A plus 1 and B minus 1. Simplify it, then move the items with A to same side of equation as 2A minus AB equal to 2B minus 1. Factorize as A times quantity 2 minus B equal to 2B minus 1. Divided by 2 minus B to both sides as A equal to 2B minus 1 over 2 minus B. Adjust as A equal to minus 2B minus 1 over B minus 2. The denominator of the fraction is B minus 2. I'm going to generate B minus 2 factor in the numerators. So add minus 4 and plus 4 in it. After that, the fraction as 2 times quantity B minus 2 plus 3 over B minus 2. The fraction in the right side distribute to two fractions. Finally, got A equal to minus 2 plus 3 over B minus 2. We have the relations between A and B. Due to A, B are integers, then it is that 3 over B minus 2 is an integer. To fulfill these conditions, B minus 2 should be the factor of 3. That means B minus 2 could be equal to 3, 1, or negative numbers minus 1 minus 3. Simple calculations, A will be equal to 1, minus 1, minus 3, and minus 5. And B equal to 5, 3, 1, and minus 1. That is all the numbers we get. Do you find it? Hope you to enjoy the video. Thank you.